Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download LinkedIn application on your iOS device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store on your iOS device and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once you are done, from the home page of your App Store, tap on the search button at the bottom right and search for LinkedIn. After making a search for LinkedIn, look for this application and tap on the Get button or the Download arrow button. This will start downloading the LinkedIn application on your device. You may need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to get started with the download process. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically. Once done, tap on the Open button to open up the LinkedIn application on your device. You can then go ahead and sign up for a new account or log into an existing one and start using LinkedIn on your iOS. So that is how you easily download and install LinkedIn on your iOS device. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.